Hi, welcome back to Dr. Zakir Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 2.7 inverse functions. Right. What type of questions will be coming in this exercise? Find the inverse of a function. Right. This is a very important exercise. Keep in your mind one question you can expect in the exams. So find the inverse of the given function. Right. So you need to follow 4 steps here. What are the steps? Step number 1. Put f of x is equal to y. What is step number 1? Put f of x equals y. And step number 2. Step number 2 is interchange x and y. What do you mean by interchange? Interchange means wherever x is there, you change it to y. Wherever y is there, you change it to x. That is called interchange. Okay, everybody? Right. Now, step number 3. Step number 3 is you are going to find y. It means you are going to write the answer y is equal to. Definitely it will be what? In terms of x only, right? In terms of what? X. So find y. Then after that, in the last step, put the same y is equal to f inverse. Don't read as power minus 1. Read it as f inverse x. These are the 4 steps you have to follow. Once again, repeat. First step is what? Put f of x equals what? Y. Then interchange x and y. Then find y. Or you can say solve for y. You can also say like that. Either find y or solve for y. And then finally you put y is equal to what? F inverse x. Right? Let's go to the first question. Find the inverse of f of x equals what? 3x plus 1. So let me start. F of x is equal to 3x plus 1. What is step number 1? Step number 1 is put y is equal to what? F of x. Or you can say put f of x is equal to what? Y. So what happens? This is your f of x. So y is equal to 3x plus 1. What is step number 2? Step number 2 is interchange. Step number 2 is what? Interchange x and y. So what I'm going to do? In the place of y, I'm going to put x. In the place of x, I'm going to put what? Y. What is step number 3? Step number 3 is solve for y. It means what? You're going to solve for y. Y is here. So x, take this one this side, minus 1 equals 3y. You're going to solve for what? Y. So you're going to write what? Y is equal to. So divide by 3 and divide by 3. So x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to y. Clear? This is step number 3. Next is step number 4. What is step number 4? Put y is equal to what? F inverse x. So I'm going to put y equals f inverse x, which is equal to x minus 1 divided by 3. Clear all of you? So easy if you follow these 4 steps. Clear? Right. Let's go to next question. Next question is find the inverse. Right? So what is the function? F of x equals what? 6x plus 4 divided by what? 4x plus 5. What is step number 1? Step number 1 is put f of x equals what? Y, which is 6x plus 4 divided by what? 4x plus 5. What is step number 2? Change x as y and y as what? X. So y is equal to what? X, and x is equal to what? Y. Clear everybody? X is equal to what? Y. So x equals 6y plus 4 and 4y plus 5. Clear all of you? Right. Now what is step number 3? This is very important. Solve for what? Y. So solve for y. So there is a y here, there is a y here. In the first question, there is only one y. Can you see that? So that's why I just moved here and there. I got the answer. But in this question, it is not like that. How many y's are there? 2 y's are there in 2 different places. So you need to do magas, cross multiply. So I'm writing this as x by 1 is equal to 6y plus 4 divided by 4y plus 5. So you do magas, right? x times 4y plus 5 is equal to 1 times 6y plus 4. This is equal to x into 4y, 4xy. X into 5 is what? 5x is equal to 1 into 6y is what? 6y. 1 into 4 is what? 4. Now what is the question? Solve. What is the step? Solve for y. It means you have to bring all the y one side. It has y, it has y. Bring it to other side. 4xy minus 6y is equal to all the x terms to the other side. Here already 4 is here. Take this x that side, minus 5x. Right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to solve for y. So I'm taking amal mushtarak, which is common term. So when I take y, this will go out. Baki is what? Remaining 4x minus 6 is equal to what? 4 minus 5x. Now I'm going to divide by 4x minus 6. Divide by 4x minus 6. Cancel, cancel. So y is equal to what? 4 minus 5x divided by 4x minus 6. So we solve for y. What is step number 4? Step number 4 is put y is equal to what? F inverse x, which is equal to 4 minus 5x, right? Divided by 4x minus 6. Clear all of you, right? Yes. Let's go to the next question. Find the inverse function. Find the inverse function. 4 minus 5x divided by 4x. Actually, we can say like this. X is not equal to 6 and all. Suppose if it is 6, the answer will become 0 and all. But not necessary. Right. So let's start the question. So f of x is equal to what? 5x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 5. What is step number 1? Step number 1 is put f of x equals what? Y. 5x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 5. Right? Yes. Now what I need to do? I need to do step number 2, which is interchange x to y. Y to what? X. So y I'm changing as x and x I'm changing as what? Y. Clear everybody? Right. So x equals 5y minus 3, 2y plus 5. Now I'm going to solve for what? Y. Step number 3 is solve for y. Solve for y is what? Both places I have y. So I'm going to do magas. How? X multiply 2y plus 5 is equal to 1 multiply 5y minus 3. I just multiply here, cross multiply. In Arabic we call it as what? Magas. So x into 2y is 2xy. X into 5 is 5x equals 1 into 5y is 5y. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Now we are going to do what? Solve for y. So bring all the y one side, here and here. So 2xy minus 5y is equal to, this one goes that side. Which one? This one. Minus 5x. It's already minus 3 is here, right? Okay. Take y as common term. Amal mushtarak. This one and this one. So 2x minus 5 is equal to what? Minus 5x minus 3. So now you are going to divide by 2x minus 5. You are going to divide by 2x minus 5. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So y equals what? Minus 5x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 5. What is step number 4? Put y equals what? F inverse of x. This is equal to minus 5x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 5. So this is your final answer. Clear all of you? Right. So that's all your classwork questions. But since it's an important question, I just worked out from the practice questions also, so that you will get more idea. Right. What is the question? Find the inverse. Right. So let's go for f of x equals what? X minus 3 divided by 2. What is step number 1? Put f of x equals y. X minus 3 divided by 2. Right. What is step number 2? Interchange x, y as x and x as what? Y. So minus 3 divided by 2. What is step number 3? Step number 3 is solve for y. So just Magas you need to do. So if I do Magas here, it will be 2x. If I do Magas here, 1 times y minus 3, right? Okay. So 2x equals y minus 3. I want to find what? Y. So bring this 3 this side. 2x plus 3 is equal to y. So y is equal to what? F inverse x, which is 2x plus 3. Clear all of you? So easy, so easy, so easy. Keep in your mind. Let's go to the next question. Next question is find the inverse of f of x equals what? X cube plus 1. Put f of x equals what? Y, which is equal to x cube plus 1. What is step number 2? Step number 2 is put y equals x and x equals what? Y. Clear? Plus 1. I want to find what now? Solve for y. What is it? Step number 3? Solve for y. So y is here. X minus 1 equals y power 3. I want y. So y power 3, I want y. What should I do? Y power 3 to the power of what? 1 by 3 will give you what? Y. So y power 3 to the power of 1 by 3, right? Which is equal to both sides have to 2 x to the power of 1 by 3. So this equals y and this equals x minus 1 to the power of 1 by 3. So what is step number 4? Put y equals what? F inverse x is equal to what? X minus 1 the whole power 1 by 3. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. Right. Find the inverse of what? F of x equals x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. So f of x equals x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. What is step number 1? Put f of x equals y, which is x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. Now what is step number 2? Change y as x, okay, and x as what? Y. So which is y, and I will write this is equal to plus 1 and minus 2, okay, right, plus 1 and minus 2. Now we are going to cross multiply. X multiply y minus 2. What is step number 3? Step number 3 is solve for y, right? This equals y plus 1. So multiply x y multiply minus 2, which is equal to y plus 1. And this one take it this side. xy minus y is equal to 1. And then this minus 2 goes that side, which is equal to what? Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. This is 2x. So 1 plus 2x. Clear? Right. Now I'm going to take Amal Mushtarak y. Because why? Because we are going to solve for y. X minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2x. So now I'm going to divide by x minus 1. Divide by x minus 1. So x minus 1 gets cancelled. So y equals 1 plus 2x divided by x minus 1. So what is step number 4? Step number 4 is put f is equal to y is equal to what? F inverse x. 1 plus 2x divided by what? X minus 1. Clear everybody? Right. Let's do one more question. Right. Find the inverse of f of x equals what? X minus 2 divided by 3x plus 5. What is step number 1? Put y is equal to what? F of x, which is x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 5. What is step number 2? Interchange. What is step number 2? Interchange xy as x and x as what? Y. What is that? Here it is minus 2. Here it is 3y plus 5. Now I want to solve for y. So step number 3 is solve for y. Y is in two places. So we are going to do what? Cross multiplication. Magas, right? So x times 3y plus 5 is equal to 1 times y minus 2. Clear? So multiply this 3xy, multiply this 5x equals 1 into y is y minus 2, right? Now take y one side. 3xy minus y, which is equal to minus 2 minus x. This y comes this side. Now we are going to do what? Solve for y. So when you solve for y, you have to take y as out. 3x minus 1, which is equal to Amal Mushtarak, right? Yes. Minus 2 minus 5x. What I'm going to do? I'm going to divide by 3x minus 1. I'm going to divide by 3x minus 1. Okay. So what's your answer? Y is equal to negative 2 negative 5x divided by 3x minus 1. So what is step number 4? Step number 4 is put y is equal to what? F inverse of x is minus 2 minus 5x divided by 3x minus 1. So this is your F inverse of x. Clear everybody? Clear all of you? So this finishes your exercise what? 2.7. Right? Yes. So practice each example carefully. Always check the given function. In the answer should be what? In terms of x. Keep in your mind while you are finding inverse. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more videos in Math 001. East or West, Dr. Zahid Math YouTube channel is what? The best. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Zahir.